Hi, welcome. I have been so excited to show you this home. This is Blanca. It has to be one of my favorite designs. I'm so excited to show you all the organic textures, the handmade elements, the soft neutrals. It's very quiet luxury. So come on in and have a look. This is the first floor. There are 3 bedrooms on this level, including this primary suite. I absolutely adore this primary suite. It's like a peaceful little getaway within the home. These whole homes really are so peaceful, and I think a lot of that has to do with this wall color. This is Dulux rice crop, and it's quite far from a traditional white. It's like a beige creamy color, and it's just so calming when you come into the home. One of the other things I notice when I walk into this space is the elevation. We raised the ceiling heights to 3 meters on 3 levels, but it also has a few other elements. In this bedroom, for example, you have this added drama with the curtains, the way they fall behind this reverse bulkhead. It's really cool. Another cute little piece in this suite is this vanity nook. Just a sacred little nice space for you to keep your jewelry and your beauty products. And then behind this gorgeous curved wall is your ensuite. This ensuite has such a lovely mix of your warm beige, your cool grey, your timber, and your antique brass. Some of the elements that you have in this space is this ivory matte tile, which runs along the floor and up the back of the shower. It has this travertine look to it. And then wrapping the rest of this bathroom is this amazing feature render. I mean, have a look at that. The texture is stunning, and that organic element really helps to make the room feel like a natural wellness space. We added this basin from Robert Gordon. So this is made from fully vitrified stoneware. So it also has that organic feel to it, but it's also really durable. This basin and this tapware, actually, James and I found at the Interior Design Expo in Sydney last year. And we loved both of them, but we particularly fell in love instantly with this tapware. It just has this lovely, expensive antique feel to it. Now we're going to pop up to the next level, but before we do, I just want to show you the details on these doors. We have this lovely classical detail bordering all of the internal doors, and it adds such a nice layer of sophistication to the home. Now, one of the cool things about this home is you have an elevator. So I'm going to jump in here and head up to the next level, and I'll meet you there. So here we are in the heart of the home. This kitchen is where the design process all started. You'll see in these homes that there's a two-tone aesthetic. We started first with this cabinetry. I love this maple cabinetry. It's such a subtle, pale, warm, oaky color, and it almost has like a hint of a pink hue to it as well, which balances out so nicely with this stone. So this stone here is called Cumulus Cloud, and it has these varying degrees of gray and white. And then you have this tapware. I've mentioned this tapware before, but it is honestly one of my favorite inclusions in this home. It's by Faucet Strommen, and they use the highest quality brasses. This particular color is called Antique Brass Light. It's so dark and rich and warm, and it's going to patina over time as well, which I love because I feel like it's going to give the home a little bit of a heritage feel, which is so nice when you have a brand new home. Over here, we have this handmade TV shelf. Over here, we have some cabinetry, just perfect for storing books and games. We've got a nice classic shaker style on the cabinetry, and then this nice accent, which is made from travertine, which is beautiful. All right, now over here, above this oak dining table, we have this Weplight pendant. This pendant is made from bendable wood. The shape is so interesting, but it's also quite understated, which is great because it allows it to be a really nice centerpiece without stealing from any other elements of the room. And behind me, we have this powder room, which we had a little bit more fun in. We included this tranquil green color for the walls, which goes so nicely with the gray of the basin and the bench top and the rich brown of the tapware. The awesome part of this room though is this wall light that we included. We found this light last year in Nightworks, and we were very happy when we found this perfect place for it. It's made of natural stone that's been hand-picked and intentionally broken, so every piece is completely unique. It's so beautiful. Now, before we head to the rooftop entertaining area, we have another room on this level. This room can be whatever you want it to be, really. It would be an amazing room to have as a yoga room, to roll out your yoga mat. The morning sun that comes in here is absolutely gorgeous. Out here, you have a fantastic space for entertaining. You've got this big beef eater barbecue. You've got a bar fridge. You can just imagine being here on a Sunday afternoon, beer and wine with friends. It's in the open air, you've got trees, you've got the ocean. I mean, this is what Gold Coast living is all about. Speaking of which, it is a really hot day on the Gold Coast, so I'm gonna head to the beach, but thank you for joining me on this tour. We have so many cool homes upcoming, so make sure you subscribe and I'll see you again soon.